Hello YouTube, Nathan Dewey here, explaining why you do not spend money on super cheap balisongs. I got this as a bonus knife for a recent purchase over at Jersey Devil, and literally after one day of flipping this, the safe handle started to crack. This is a cheap cast aluminum. It is heavily milled to the point that there is almost no integrity left on the handle. As you can see, the handle is just a hair fracture away from breaking completely. In fact, I can actually break this with my thumb. The blade's alright, handles are garbage. Would you want to flip this? Thanks for looking, take care.